Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil on Ram 1500 V8 full guide. Start by warming the engine for a few minutes, then turn it off and let it sit to cool slightly. Wear gloves and eye protection and have rags ready for spills. Confirm you have a socket set, oil filter wrench, new filter, and fresh oil of the right viscosity. Remove the oil fill cap and place the drain pan directly beneath the oil pan drain plug. Use a socket to carefully loosen and remove the plug, watching for hot oil and splashes. Let the oil drain completely until it slows to occasional drops, then clean the plug and replace the crush washer if needed. Reinstall the plug to the proper torque and wipe any drips before moving on to the filter. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with music and voice controls, and it makes calling up repair checklists or timers much easier while you work. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, and if you grab one, it will make garage time more enjoyable. Now let's get back to the video. Remove the old oil filter with a filter wrench and clean the mounting surface, then lubricate the new filter gasket with fresh oil. Screw on the new filter by hand until gasket contacts the base, then tighten about 3/4 turn more. Refill the engine with the specified oil capacity, replace the oil fill cap, start the engine briefly to circulate oil, then check the dipstick, and tighten any minor leaks as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.